Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Crunchyroll on Roku. Sign in and start streaming step by step clearly. Turn on your Roku device and make sure it is connected to the internet. Press the home button on your Roku remote to open the main menu. Scroll to streaming channels to open the Roku channel store. Select search channels and type Crunchyroll using the on-screen keyboard. Choose the Crunchyroll app from the search results to open its details page. Select Add Channel to install Crunchyroll on your Roku. Wait until the installation finishes and the app is added to your home screen. Go back to the Roku home screen and open the Crunchyroll app. On the welcome screen, select Login or Sign in to start the activation process. Choose the option that shows an activation code on your TV screen. Keep the activation code visible and do not close the Crunchyroll app. On your phone or computer, open a web browser. Go to the Crunchyroll activation page shown on your TV, such as crunchyroll.com/activate. If you are not already signed in, log in with your Crunchyroll email and password. If you do not have an account, create one and confirm your email if prompted. Enter the activation code exactly as it appears on the TV screen. Select Activate or continue to link your Roku to your Crunchyroll account. Wait a few seconds while the Roku app refreshes and completes the sign-in. If the code expires, request a new code on Roku and repeat the activation step. After signing in, choose your preferred profile if Crunchyroll asks for it. Go to Settings in the Crunchyroll app to confirm your language and subtitle preferences. If you have a premium subscription, verify you are on the correct account to remove ads. Use the search icon to find an anime title, season, or episode you want to watch. Select an episode and press OK on the remote to start playback. Press the star or options button to open playback settings like subtitles and quality when available. Use the Roku remote controls to pause, rewind, or fast forward during streaming. If streaming buffers, restart your Roku and router. Then reopen Crunchyroll and try again. Make sure your Roku software is up to date by checking Settings, System, and System Update. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.